et prête. Rends les choses faciles. Et sèche-moi ces larmes. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a black and red look, or nail look if you want to call it that. Right here, as you can see, I already applied my Kiara Sky Jelly Tips full cover. And I'm also going to go ahead and apply my base coat. I feel like the base coat helps the gel polish goes on a little bit smoother. So yeah, after I apply this, I'm going to go ahead and cure for 60 seconds, and I'm going to clean up around my cuticles because you don't want your the product to be on your skin when you put it in a UV LED light, because it will burn, and this will also cause lifting. So you want to make sure that you do clean up really good around your cuticles. Alright, so I am going to be using this beautiful color red. It's from Awesome Color. And as I mentioned in the beginning of the video, you want to make sure that you do clean up around the sides and around your cuticle area, because you don't want any lifting or any burning on the skin when you put it inside the LED light. I think I cleaned up more around my cuticles than anything in this video, but so right here we're going to be using Makartt's black gel polish, and as you can see up at the top, I did use this striping tape to kind of get my line straight, because I'm such a perfectionist and I just wanted to make sure that my line was straight and it was right. And I also used so yeah, here you go, you're going to see me apply the striping tape on my nail, because I want it to go diagonal, but like I said, I want it to be straight. So yeah, that's just the perfectionist in me. I always want to make sure everything is perfect, which is like, it's good to a certain extent, and then it's not good to a certain extent. But if you know me, I always like to have my stuff to be perfect. I think that's like kind of my downfall, but hey, it is what it is. But anyway, Yeah, so I'm just pressing it down to make sure, you know, when I put the polish on, that it doesn't go to the other side or to the red side. So I'm just going to have one side black and then one side red. So I'm just, you know, making sure that it's on there really good. So when I do go ahead and put the gel polish on, it will be on the side that I put it on. And I also went ahead and applied the first coat with a brush, not with the polish brush, but yeah, you're going to see me go ahead and apply the first coat with just a regular gel polish brush, and the second coat I'm going to apply with the brush that comes in the bottle, is what I'm trying to say. This was kind of tedious because it was so hard to keep the black off of my skin. I don't know, it was just kind of hard. It's kind of hard to explain, but it was just like I don't even know how to explain it, but I just know that the black is a hard color to kind of work with, as far as like not getting it on your skin and kind of wiping it off your skin. So I kept having to wipe my skin off with acetone, well, actually with alcohol, to, you know, clean around my cuticles and stuff. But other than that, you know, I think it came out pretty good. This is my first time ever doing something like this. I think it came out decent. It came out pretty good, but for my first time at least. But as I keep practicing and keep doing, you know, looks like this or nail art like this, I think it would be good. But yeah, so yeah, I'm just gonna let you go ahead and continue watching. I think it came out pretty good. Yeah. In this next clip, you will see me pull the striping tape off of the nail, and I will have a straight line. Maybe, yeah, it's a straight line. And see, I'm trying to clean up around my cuticles, because like I said, that black it's a doozy. But yeah, but it came out pretty good. And just kind of look at it. So I'm going to go ahead and do the rest of the nails. I'm just going to do, I'm showing you on camera just the first two nails, and then the rest I did off camera, just to kind of, you know, so you can kind of see how it looks. But yeah, I'm gonna let you go ahead and watch, and I'll be back. Alright, so this rhinestone glue I did get off of Amazon. I also do have a Amazon storefront. I will leave the link in the description box down below. The Amazon storefront is like the products that I use and that I love. Follow me on the storefront, and it would just show everything, you know, that I use, like all the products that I use on my video. Yeah, I will leave that link in the description box down below. I also got these rhinestones from Amazon as well. That will be on my storefront as well. And right here, I am going to go ahead and top coat. Alright, so I'm going to use this polish from Modelones. I thought of this idea. I thought it would be so cute to have, you know how they had like the red bottoms at the bottom of the nails, but since I had red on top, I wanted to put this gold shimmer glitter gel polish on the bottom. And as I did do it on the bottom, another idea popped in my head, and I wanted to put, I thought maybe, you know, I could put butterflies at the bottom of my nails. Maybe, you know, how you, I just thought it would look really cute if I put the butterflies. Okay, so yeah, that didn't work out too well. Yeah, so I tried it. I tried it, didn't work out. Epic fail. So I kept on pushing. But I wanted to keep this video in so you can see, you know, I'm not perfect. Nobody's perfect. I am human. I do, you know, have downfalls, but I picked myself back up and I just kept on going. So yeah, this was, I thought it would have looked cute. If it would have, I just thought it would look cute. So yeah, yeah. So when I said fail, I mean fail like as far as putting the butterflies on the bottom with the gold glitter, but I kept the gold glitter just without the butterflies. So the butterfly was a fail. Alright, so my video has come to an end, and I hope you all enjoyed my video, and thank you for stopping by my channel. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe and share, and I will see you all on my next upload. Love you guys. Until then, toodles.